Okay, we get this question a lot. We need songs to use inside the class. What kind of songs can we use? What are the songs to use? And we really do not have any specific songs that can be used because it differs on a lot of criteria. As we mentioned before, it's related to the student's level, the lesson you're teaching, the culture of your country or the school. So all of this is going to determine what kind of song you should teach inside the class, because I can be using a song that is not going to be appropriate when you use it in your class. So what we suggest here is that you always refer back to Google and YouTube. You can write on them, for example, past simple tense songs for beginners or for kids. You're going to find a lot of things, I am sure, and you're going to go home, check it, and see if it is appropriate to use the next day in your class or not. In this crash course, we talked about why do we use songs inside the classroom and what are the criteria that we should consider while we're teaching while using songs, and we'd like to remind you to go and check how to teach listening crash course that we have on the channel. Thank you so much, and wait for the coming course.